morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome to Maths online class. Today we are going to do checkpoint on page number 124. Here in this exercise we are going to learn how to draw a circle with the help of compass of the given radius. Children, in the previous class we have learned about how we can draw a line segment of given length with the help of ruler. In this class, we are going to learn about how to draw line circle. Okay. Previously, we have learned how to draw line segment. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a circle with the help of compass. So, children, I am showing you a PDF file through which you will get an idea what steps we have to follow for drawing a circle. So, let's see the PDF. Now children, look at the PDF and you will learn how to draw a circle. This is a compass, okay? In the picture you can see this is a compass. Compass is an instrument which is usually made up of metal and it is used to draw circles or arcs and to measure distance for construction in geometry. So compass is used for measuring distances and for construction in geometry. So compass is an instrument that is made up of metal and it is used for drawing circles. Okay. So today we are going to make use of this instrument compass for drawing circles. These are the steps which we have to follow for drawing circles. Okay. So look at the screen all of you. What steps we have to follow? Look at the screen. Now drawing circle, a compass is used to draw a circle of particular radius. So whenever we have to draw a circle, we have to make use of a compass. I have shown you in the picture compass. Yes, this is the compass. Now there are steps given how to draw a circle with the help of compass. Children, first you will fit the pencil inside the arm of the compass, okay? And then we will measure how to measure it, okay? Now see all of you how we can measure it. Keep the compass needle at 0 of the scale. So always the needle of the compass will be at 0. Open the compass to measure the required radius. Here we are drawing the circle of 2 cm. So we are measuring radius. Radius is of 2 cm. So we will open the other hand of compass to 2 cm. Okay. Then see the step 2. Now draw a circle of radius 2 cm on a sheet of paper. Keep the compass needle fixed on the paper. So needle of the compass will be fixed. It will not rotate. Okay. So you can see in a compass there is a needle. That needle of the compass will be fixed where we have to draw the circle. Only the hand which is attached with the pencil will rotate. Okay. The needle hand will not rotate. Only the hand that is attached with pencil will rotate to draw a circle. Now see the step 3. Moving the pencil arm for drawing the circle. This only I was telling you in step 2 that the pencil, the arm which is in which the pencil is fit, that will go on rotating. This, the needle, the hand that is having needle, or you can say the needle of the compass will remain constant. It will remain fixed. It will not rotate. The arm that is having pencil, it will rotate to form a circle. Now one important thing I want to tell you that always hold the compass from the top. Okay. Always hold the compass from the top. Don't try to hold it from any of the hand of the compass, because if you will hold the compass from the hand, there are chances that you can extend it. It will be extended and the length will be not accurate. Okay, length of the radius will not be accurate. Now see, the distance between the needle and the pencil is the radius of the circle. So the distance between the needle and the pencil is the radius of the circle. You can see this is the distance between needle and the pencil. So this is known as the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is the line that starts from the center of the circle and goes to the circle. Okay. And radius is always half of the diameter. Diameter is, you know, that it is a line segment that divides a circle into two equal parts, and radius is half of the diameter. Okay. Now see here you will find what we should do and what we should not do with the compass. The pencil should be longer than compass. Wrong. Pencil should be shorter than the compass. Then it will be easier for you to draw the figures. The pencil should be shorter than the compass. It will be comfortable for you to hold for drawing the figure. Then in the second picture, you should see that this man is holding the arm of the compass, which is a wrong way of holding compass. Always hold the compass from the top. Okay, top of the compass. We should hold from the top. Now see children, here in the next slide I will show you how measurement is done with the help of compass and ruler. Suppose we have to measure 5 centimeter. Here we are taking a measurement of 5 centimeter, radius of 5 centimeter. So we will place the needle of the compass on 0 and the other end of the length that is required of the given radius. Okay. So here it is given radius of 5 centimeters. So we are measuring up to 5. If it is given that we have to draw a circle measuring rate of radius 6 centimeter, then this arm will be extended to 6 centimeter. But this arm will be placed at, the needle arm will be placed on 0 only. It is fixed that if we are measuring anything, whether it is a line segment or for a circle, if we are measuring radius, we always place the needle of the compass at the 0, or we can say the length is always measured starting from the 0. So this is how we can measure the length 5 centimeter. And in the next picture you can see that the needle of compass is fixed at O, and the needle hand, the pencil, the arm which is having attached to the pencil will go on rotating to form a circle. Okay. So this point will be fixed, the needle will be fixed at the center, and the arm which is having pencil will go on rotating for drawing the circle. So children, now I hope you all have understood the steps that has to be followed for drawing a circle. Now I am going to show you a video through which you will learn how to draw circle. Before showing you this video, I want you all to sit with your geometry notebook and take 2 pencils, one pencil attached in the compass and other pencil keep it spare, and so that you can make use of it for writing purpose. Then you should get ready with a ruler, eraser and compass. So all things collect with yourself and then I'll start a video, because along with me you can also draw the circle. Okay. So all you need is geometry notebook, scale, eraser. Both the pencils should be properly sharp, compass and a ruler. Okay. So now let's start the video.
Use a compass to draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter means 2.5 centimeter. Now see how we will measure 2.5 centimeter. This is your ruler. With the help of ruler, you will mark this is 0, okay, and this is 2. Half means 2.5. So half will come between 2 and 3. This is half, okay. See 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 and this is 2.5. So first we will draw a line segment of 2.5, 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So we will write here OA 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw a circle. Okay. So this is exactly 2.5 centimeter. Now we take a help of compass for drawing a circle. So children, for drawing a circle, you should buy a compass like this. Okay. Now in that you have to fit pencil. Put the needle of the compass on point O. Okay, the starting point from where we have measured line segment 2.5, and then place the point of pencil like this. Okay, this is now 2.5 centimeter. Now you hold the tip and go around. Okay, so you can see a circle of 2.5 centimeter is exactly drawn, and name it as OA. See, A I have written here. You can write outside also. So write down here A and join this line. Now this is a circle OA of 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw a circle of 6 centimeter. Okay. Now see, this is a ruler. First what we will do? We will draw a line segment measuring 6 centimeter. Okay. So look here. We will mark on 0 and we will mark on 6. Whenever we have to draw a line segment, we will start measuring from 0. So we have marked on 0 and we have marked on 6, and now we will draw a line segment like this. Okay. We have drawn a line segment. Now we will write the center, we will write O. Okay. Now we will put the needle of this compass. This is the needle. This is the needle of the compass. We will put this needle on point O and measure it up to the next point, which is 6 centimeter. Okay, now I have placed the compass. Now I will go on rotating. Now see, now like this we have drawn a circle of 6 centimeter. Okay, this is a circle of 6 centimeter. Again see, we have put the needle of the compass and we go on rotating it, and we have drawn a circle of 6 centimeter like this. Okay. Now name it as OB. So write down OB 6 centimeter. So this is a circle of 6 centimeter. This is how we will draw circle. Now we have to draw a circle of 4 centimeter. Now see how we will draw a circle of 4 centimeter. First we will draw a line. Okay. We will draw a line. I will take it to the next page. I will show you a blank page. Now we have to draw a line segment of 4 centimeter first. So we will put a point on 0 and another point on 4. Okay. 0 and 4, because we have to draw a line segment of 4 centimeter. Now we draw a line like this. Okay. Now this line segment is of 4 centimeter. So we have given the point, starting point as O, and we will write 4 centimeter. Now with the help of compass, first we will measure it from, we will put it from O and we will measure it 4 centimeter like this. Okay, we have measured. Now see children, this is exactly 4 centimeter. Yes, it is exactly 4 centimeter. So now we will place the needle of the compass on point O and pencil on the point that we have marked, and now we go on rotating it, and see, now we have drawn a circle of 4 centimeter. Okay, so now come to the next question. Your next question, you have to draw a circle of 3.5 centimeter. See children, 3.5 centimeter. Now how we will measure 3.5 centimeter? Put a ruler like this. Okay. Mark on 0. Now this is 3 and you have to measure 3.5. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see this line, the smaller line between 3 and 4. You can see this line, the smaller line between 3 and 4. This line shows 5.5. Okay, so this is 3.5. So you will draw a line from 0 to 3.5. Okay, and now you name it the interior point as O. Now see this is the compass. Okay, now start measuring it 3.5 centimeter. Put the needle of compass on 0 and the other point on 3.5. You can see it is exactly 3.5. Yes. Now we place it on O and start rotating our, by holding the lid. We will rotate the compass and you will see that a circle of 3.5 centimeter is drawn. Okay. So this is how we will measure and draw the circle. This is O. B, you can name it any, okay? OC, OD, whatever name you want to give, you can give. Now come to the next question. In next question, you have to draw a circle of 7 centimeter. So I take a new page. So because 7 centimeter it requires a lot of space. So I will show you on new page, okay? We have to draw a circle of 7 centimeters. See children? Now see 7 centimeter. Okay. First you will see that it is a ruler. Okay. This is a ruler. And now we will mark 7 centimeter. We will place it on 0. Starting from 0 we will put a point. And next point will be on 7 because we have to draw a circle of 7 centimeter. Now draw a line segment first. First, when you have to draw a circle, you have to draw the line segment. So this is a line segment of 7 centimeter. Now children, this is the compass. Okay. Measure it. Put the needle of compass on 0 and stretch it to 0.7. Okay. This is 7 centimeter. You can see clearly it is shown. This is 7 centimeter. Now you put the needle of the compass and now you go on rotating it by holding the tip of the compass. Now you can see a circle of 7 centimeter is formed. Okay. This is how you will draw the circle of 7 centimeter. Okay. Now come to the next question. Now your next question I will show you. Here you have to draw a circle of 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay. So first we will draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. I am placing a scale. I will put a dot on 0 and then I will put a dot on 3 because we have to draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. So it will begin from 0 and go up to 3. Okay. So you can see that we have drawn a line segment of 3 centimeter. Now take the compass and measure 3 centimeter. You can measure it with the help of scale also. Put it. See, it is 3 centimeter. You can measure it with the help of scale or you have marked it. So here, from here also you can measure it. Okay. So now you go on rotating it and you will see that a circle of 3 centimeter is drawn. Okay. Now name it as OD. OD 3 centimeter. This is how you will draw a circle. Now I will show you the next question. In your next question you have to draw a circle of 5.5 centimeter. See children, this is a ruler. Okay. First we will mark 5.5 centimeter on our page. First we will draw a line segment of 5.5 centimeter. Then only we will draw a circle of radius 5.5 centimeter. From 0 we will put point. Okay. And we have to measure 5.5. 5.5 is 5.5 centimeter. Now see where 5.5 will come. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and this is 5.5. The middle point between 5 and 6 you will find this is 5.5. Okay, so now here on the smaller line you will put a dot. This is 5.5. Count. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5.5. Now draw a line like this. Okay, we have drawn a line. Now take the compass, put the needle point, okay, on the beginning point and the pencil on the another point. Now draw, rotate, and you will find that your circle of 5.5 centimeter is drawn. So this is how you will draw a circle of 5.5 centimeter. You can name it as OE. So children, now you have seen one more question is there. You have to draw a circle of 8 centimeter, but that is your homework. So now you all have seen how we draw a circle. I will show you how to measure 0.5. See, this is a ruler. If suppose we have to draw a circle of 3.5 centimeter, then we will see this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Now count the 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be your 3.5 centimeter.
Now children, I hope you all have learned how we can draw circle with the help of compass. So children, we have done 5 questions in our classwork and your next question is homework. So I am showing you the homework question. You note down the homework question. We have completed 7 questions. Now your 8th question that you have to do as homework is 8 centimeter. So you will draw a radius of 8 centimeter. You will draw a radius measuring 8 centimeter and then you will draw a circle of radius 8 centimeter. So I hope now you all have understood how to draw circle with the help of compass. I am going to send you the PDF through which you can complete your classwork. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed today's class and learned how to draw circle with the help of compass. We will meet again in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.